This is a 2023 Tesla Model 3 rear wheel drive. This one also has that really nice white interior. We'll take a look at that in a second, but for now, let's just take a look under the hood. All right. Let's work on our way to the back. All right, here's your trunk space. You also have an extra compartment right down here. Additional room, pretty nice. Let's close it up. All right, moving on to the rear seats. Here's that white interior I was talking about. Really nice. Right here are going to be your USB-Cs. Then your cup holders are going to be right here. Nice. Let's move on to the front seats. All right, let me show you guys the screen. All right, let me show you guys the cameras now. All right. Right here is going to be a wireless phone charger. Over here you have another compartment. Cup holders and another compartment here. All right.